I spend the majority of my day, I would say, looking for my glasses. That or my phone. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my closet, where I sometimes film, but mostly come here to eat chocolate and bitch about my wardrobe that's filled mostly with jeans and t-shirts because I don't like to clothes shop. And when I do, I shop like a 12-year-old boy. Okay, I'll probably edit that out. Anyway, it has been a while since I have done a skincare video, and I thought what better way to get back into skincare videos than with one of my favorite ingredients, vitamin C. Today's video is all about vitamin C serums for the skin, the benefits of vitamin C, the different types of vitamin C, and what to look for when you're purchasing a vitamin C serum. Also some of my product recommendations. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification and give this video a thumbs up. I guess YouTube's having some issues with the bell notification. If you don't hit the bell notification, then my videos aren't showing up. I don't know. I don't know a lot about technology. All I know is it's a miracle I even have a channel here and know about YouTube. Anyway, with that, let's move along. We all know how important vitamin C is to our bodies internally, but what you may not know is how important vitamin C is to the overall health of your skin. So vitamin C is an antioxidant, and antioxidants help protect your skin from free radicals. Free radicals form from things like the sun, pollution, smoking, stress, all of these things that can over time break down the DNA of the cell and cause premature aging and damage to the skin. And so vitamin C helps to protect from those free radicals. Some other benefits of vitamin C: collagen production, collagen protection. So as we age, we start losing collagen in our skin, which causes it to wrinkle and sag. And what vitamin C can help do is to protect the collagen that's in your skin and to help keep it firm and plump. Also, vitamin C, another benefit is that it fades dark spots, age spots, old acne scars, and it also really helps to brighten the skin. So if you've got kind of a dull complexion, vitamin C really helps to brighten the skin, and it doesn't lighten the skin. It fades dark spots and acne scars, and it brightens the skin, but it doesn't lighten the skin. It does help with acne. It aids in wound healing. I will say if you've got sensitive skin, I have some advice that I'll talk about later as far as what you could use if you've got sensitive skin or if you've ever had a reaction from vitamin C before. There are so many different types of vitamin C on the market, and if you're looking to incorporate a vitamin C into your skincare routine and you want all of the benefits that I mentioned earlier, either look for Ascorbate, L-ascorbic acid, or Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate. Those two are really going to be the ones that are going to give you all of the benefits that I mentioned earlier. Some products can say that they have vitamin C in them, and the vitamin C that they use is one that's not as potent as L-ascorbic acid or Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate. So you really want to be careful and check your ingredients list, because if you see something like Magnesium, Ascorbyl, Phosphate, or Ascorbyl Palmatate, yes, those are vitamin C derivatives. However, they're not as potent as the two that I recommend. L-ascorbic acid is going to be your unstable form of vitamin C. It's definitely more commonly used in vitamin C serums, and usually you'll find it housed with a vitamin E and ferulic acid, because vitamin E helps to stabilize the vitamin C, and then the ferulic acid that it's usually housed with helps for the vitamin C to penetrate into the skin better. When you have L-ascorbic acid, because it's such an unstable form of vitamin C, you really want to keep it in a dark container, or it should come in a dark container, I should say, and to keep it away from air and light. And if a vitamin C turns or goes bad, then it actually turns into an oxidant, not an antioxidant. So you're actually doing more harm to your skin than good if you put vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid type vitamin C on your skin that's gone bad. So this is what your vitamin C should look like. It should look cloudy, like that, clear. Cloudy is okay, clear. If it's gone bad, it will start to turn orange. I've had this, in fact, I'm gonna throw this bottle away after this video. This one I've had for a while because I wanted to show you. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. So this is really bad. Like, that is bright orange. Like, if your L-ascorbic acid serum looks like that, get rid of it. Other one, if you've got sensitive skin and you've had trouble with vitamin C's in the past, it could be the type of vitamin C that you were using that caused a type of reaction. If I was going to go the L-ascorbic acid route, I definitely would put it with some type of humectant, either a hyaluronic acid or a glycerin, to help with the irritation that L-ascorbic acid can cause. Or what you could do is pair your L-ascorbic acid or ascorbic acid with a niacinamide, because niacinamide really helps calm the skin, and those two can work really well together to lessen the irritation of vitamin C. And that's not true that vitamin C that niacinamide cancels out vitamin C. That's not true. That was a study that was done back in 1950s and sometime. And what they did is they tested an unstable form of vitamin C and an unstable form of niacinamide, and they tested them at super high heat, and that's where they got that result, that they cancel each other out. So that, I think that myth is gone. I don't think anybody still believes that you can't pair the two. So let me just show you one that has L-ascorbic acid in it. This is the Timeless 20% C plus E plus ferulic acid. This one I've talked about on my channel numerous times, and I really like this one. This also comes with some ingredients in it that are beneficial to the skin. I would recommend this one if you're looking for affordable. That's the other thing I really like about this one. Another serum that I would recommend that has L-ascorbic acid vitamin C in it is the MAELOVE, the Glow Maker. This one has 15% L-ascorbic acid, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, as well as hyaluronic acid for hydration. A lot of people raved about this one. I tried it last year. I really liked it. I still come back to this one though. Another one that I would recommend is the SKINCEUTICALS C plus E plus ferulic acid. That one is really good. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, but I saw great results in that one. So those are the vitamin C's that I would recommend that have L-ascorbic acid in them. And this isn't sponsored or anything. I don't get paid by any of these companies. I wish, but I don't. This next one, this is the C Firma Day Serum by Drunk Elephant. This formula has a 15% L-ascorbic acid plus ferulic acid and 1% vitamin E. I have my own personal reasons why I don't want to repurchase this, and I'll tell you why. The serum is a light yellow to a light orange color. So for me, that's why I don't want to repurchase this again. I like to know if my vitamin C has gone bad. And if it's already orange to start with, I don't know how long this was sitting on the shelf before I purchased it, and so this could already be turning bad and I don't know it because it's already orange or light yellow or whatever. I did see results. I did like it. I just don't like that it already comes orange. The next, my dog's in here. She always thinks I'm talking to her when I'm filming. Yes, no, I'm talking to the camera. Okay, yes, it's not time to eat. So the next vitamin C, oh my gosh, will you get down? Okay, I'm back. I had to feed my dog and oh my gosh, it's hot in here. Anyway, okay, so the next form of vitamin C that I would recommend is Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate. And that is a more stable form of vitamin C. And that is a fat-soluble vitamin C that is bioavailable, meaning that your skin recognizes it and it can penetrate better and deeper into the skin. And it's also, what I love about Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate is how nourishing it is to the skin. This is my favorite vitamin C derivative, and it's gaining in popularity not only because it's a stable form of vitamin C, but because it is great for all skin types, even the most sensitive skin. I also want to say that the Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate is on the more expensive side, more expensive than your L-ascorbic acid formulas. That's one more reason why, for me personally, I don't want it midway down on my ingredients list. I want it up a little higher so I know that I'm getting a little bit more of that vitamin C, especially if I'm going to pay more for that ingredient. I want that ingredient up higher on the ingredients list. There's not a lot of products on the market that contain this type of vitamin C, and the products that I have found, if you look at the ingredients list, the THD falls really low or lower on the ingredients list, meaning that a lot of other ingredients come before that you might not be getting enough of that vitamin C, because that really is a powerhouse of vitamin C, and for me personally, I want it higher up on that list. Of the handful of products that have THD in them, there's really only two that I personally would recommend, and the first one being the Peter Thomas Roth Vitamin C Power Serum. This has 20% THD ascorbate and 3% vitamin E and 2% ferulic acid. And not only does it have 20% THD, but that THD is second in line in the ingredients list. So it is right up there at the top. And if you're going to pay the money for that, that's where I would want that THD. This is a beautiful formula, and it also has a few other skincare benefits as well. The next product with THD in it that I would recommend, this one is my holy grail of all vitamin C products, and it's from Truth Treatments, and it is their Transdermal C Serum. This has an extremely high dose of stable THD, and it also has anti-inflammatory plant extracts and nutrients to help repair damaged skin, fade dark spots, and improve skin firmness and even tone. It is a little on the expensive side, but it's concentrated and you only need about 2 or 3 drops. You do not need very much at all, and it is highly potent. The Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate is #1 on the ingredients list, so you are definitely going to get a big hit of THD. What I love about Truth Treatment System is they don't have a lot of crap filler ingredients in their products. Holy grail vitamin C product. I also have the Truth Treatments retinol, that's another one of my holy grails. I love that one. And if you're interested, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a video on all vitamin A derivatives, so I could do that one as well. Anyway, yep, holy grail. I have one more product that I want to mention, and I'm putting this one in here because it is a more affordable option, as well as being another option if you've got sensitive skin. The Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum, it uses sodium ascorbyl phosphate as its vitamin C derivative, as well as vitamin E, ferulic acid, and hyaluronic acid. So the sodium ascorbyl phosphate that's in this product, it's not going to be as effective as the L-ascorbic acid or the Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate, but it is another form of a stable vitamin C. So yeah, I just wanted you to have another affordable option, as well as another option if you've got sensitive skin. But please let me know in the comments below if you have a Holy Grail vitamin C serum or one that you're really enjoying. I love hearing from you guys, I really do. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Take care.